So I was just assembling some drawers from Ikea, and I realized I have not told you one of the most important things to know when it comes to the assembly of Ikea kitchens, and that is what bit to use. I have seen in the overall kitchen installation guide from Ikea, they say it's a PH, a Phillips 2, and that is incorrect. What's important is that it's number 2, but not only that, it has to be a posit drive too, not a Phillips. A Phillips is the most used one, and you see that on all regular screwdrivers like this one, but it has to be a posit drive, P-set 2. And they can be difficult to find, especially in North America. But I bought a full box like this, and they are 2 inches long, which is great for most. When I assemble drawers though, let's take that away. When I assemble drawers, I use a longer one, as you can see here. This is about 3 inches, and the advantage of that is that when I put on those brackets, you know, right here, I can have a perpendicular angle on my drill into the screw, and that is a much better connection. So don't use the Phillips. If you take a Phillips screwdriver and you put it in one of the Ikea kitchen screws, you will see it's not a great fit. It's loose. It can get the job done, but what you really want is the posit drive. That is a very good fit. See, it even sits like that. I don't think the Phillips can do that. No, it falls off immediately. So this is the one, posit drive 2, and I will put a link in the description below. So check that out and get the right bits before you get started to install your Ikea kitchen. Thank you for watching.